Hi there. This is Quinns, focusing on giving users informative solutions on unlocking any smart devices for legal use. The topic today is how to unlock iPhone 7 without iTunes. When forgetting iPhone 7 passcode, most people will think of putting iPhone 7 into recovery mode and restoring iPhone firmware using iTunes in order to unlock iPhone 7. But what if you can't unlock iPhone 7 with iTunes? How to unlock iPhone 7 without passcode or iTunes? It is a tricky thing to unlock iPhone 7 passcode without iTunes, because we all know that we can achieve the purpose of unlocking iPhone 7 by restoring factory settings through iTunes. When you can't use iTunes to unlock iPhone 7 passcode, do you know other solutions to unlock an iPhone 7 without iTunes? It doesn't matter if you don't know, we will tell you the solution to unlock iPhone 7 without using iTunes. Don't be discouraged, there are some alternative ways to unlock a locked iPhone 7 without iTunes. Alright, keep watching and you'll get step-by-step instructions to unlock disabled iPhone 7 without iTunes with the alternative techniques. If any solution here helps, make sure to subscribe to Quinns and that will be a big support to us. Solution 1. Erase iPhone. Before trying this solution, make sure your iPhone 7 iOS version is 15.2 or higher, and you also need to know your Apple ID account. If one of them is missing, you cannot try this solution. There is an Erase iPhone feature in iOS 15.2 or higher, which will only appear after entering the wrong passcode at least 7 times, so most users ignore this feature. You can use the Erase iPhone feature to unlock iPhone 7 Plus without iTunes. Now, follow the steps below to try to unlock iPhone 7 passcode forgot. Enter the passcode and enter it incorrectly at least 7 times in a row until the Erase option appears. On iPhone 7, it is called Erase iPhone. When you see the Erase iPhone option, click Erase iPhone, then click Erase iPhone again, then enter the correct Apple ID password and confirm the erase. The whole process will be completed in a few minutes, you just need to wait patiently. After unlocking iPhone 7 Plus passcode without iTunes, you need to reset the iPhone according to your needs. Solution 2. Visit iCloud.com. If your iPhone 7 is not compatible with iOS 15.2 or above, but you know the Apple ID account and turned on the Find My feature before the iPhone 7 was locked, then you can try to visit iCloud.com to unlock an iPhone 7 Plus without iTunes. The Find My feature in iCloud.com can unlock unavailable iPhone 7 without iTunes. Now, follow the specific steps below to try. Open iCloud.com page and use locked iPhone 7 Apple ID and password to log in. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll also be asked to enter the 6-digit code. You'll then be directed to the iCloud's homepage. Choose Find My. A list of devices that are linked to the same Apple ID and with Find My on will appear. If your device isn't on the list, try other methods to iPhone 7 unlock without iTunes. If it's there, choose the locked iPhone 7, select Erase this device, select Erase button and let the erase process begin. After the erase is completed and the forgotten passcode and Face ID lock is removed, your iPhone 7 will be unlocked and boot up to the Hello screen. Solution 3. Enter recovery mode. If your iPhone 7 iOS version is not compliant with 15.2 or above and you have forgotten your Apple ID, are there any other ways to unlock iPhone 7 without connecting to iTunes? The answer is yes. After entering recovery mode, you can reset it to unlock iPhone 7 with no iTunes. Below is a guide on how to reset a locked iPhone 7 without iTunes. Open the latest version of Apple Devices app or Finder on the computer. Then turn off your iPhone 7. Connect your iPhone 7 to your computer using a USB cable and hold down the volume down button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Feel free to try again if you fail at once. Then, go to Apple Devices app or Finder window. There will be an opening dialog box. To reset unavailable iPhone 7 without iTunes, click the Restore button. Next, choose Restore and Update, choose Next, select Agree and wait for the restore process to start and finish. There is a note that the recovery mode only lasts for 15 minutes. If the iPhone 7 leaves recovery mode and goes back to the lock screen, just enter recovery mode and repeat the steps to continue. That's all for how to open iPhone 7 without iTunes. If you have any questions about the problem, drop a comment below. If this video saves you out, tell us which method helps, and we'll appreciate that you can give this video a like and subscribe to Quinns channel. See you in the next video.